Good morning, Roadrunners. This is Mrs. Maxudis here, and thank you for tuning in to the WRRD News. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. Please pause for a minute of silence. Now please stand and join me, placing your right hand over your chest in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge News, meals can be picked up daily from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., so please stop by the school between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. The weather today is expected to be partly cloudy. The high temperature is 78 degrees, and the low temperature is 49 degrees. I don't know about you, but I am loving this cooler weather. And here's Miss Sasher with a motivational quote.
Thanks, Ms. Maxudis. Today's Motivational Monday quote is, "You can do anything as long as you have the passion, the drive, the focus, and the support." This is from Sabrina Bryan. Our question today comes from Mrs. Mark's room, and it's Isaac. Isaac wants to know what teachers do when they go home. Well, Isaac, since we're working from home now, typically when the day is done, I go out for a run or a walk, and then I kind of come home and make dinner and just kind of relax, try to unwind. Let's close today's news show with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Have a great day, Roadrunners.